guys, I'm Chaceyplayztuff, and today I'm going to teach you the basics of Roblox Studio. So if you open Roblox Studio here, you will have it. If you downloaded Roblox, it will look like this. So here's your games, your recents, and your archives. There you go. So if you want to make a game, you have to click New and click Base Plate. So this base plate is the starting. So there's like a lot of things here. So I'm going to start with the top. So from these four buttons names, select, which is you can move like that, the scale, and the rotate. Now for the editor, it will pop up here, and you can edit right here and add like grass or stuff like that. But because this is a base plate, we're not gonna add that. Wait, where's your grass there? Okay, let's X this first. Okay. So this right here, the toolbox, is this. We will go over that later, but this part is where you can start from a scratch and you can scale it like that. Now, the material right here is basically this. So you can click this arrow right here, and it could be, for example, fabric, and it will change its material. Now for the color, it could be like this. For example, gray, blue. Yeah. Now the anchor is like putting it in place, because right now it's like you can move it and stuff. And grouping is when you can, example, have two things. Let me put another part right there. Example, two things, and then we can do that and group it together. See? And on the right here, the model, there's the two parts. Yeah. Okay. Now the play button is you can play test the game. Like it will actually put you in the game. Now it's called base plate. Look, you can move it, you see? And to prevent that, I said you can anchor it like that, and it will not move at all. See? You can't move it. Now, for the game settings, you have to save it. Example, we have, I don't know, test. We can put a description, I don't know, just random. You can save. We can access the, yes, like that, the game settings. Now in the game settings, you can do like the thumbnail, the name, the descriptions, the permissions as well, like that. The monetization, so like that. Okay. Security, places, the localization, just like right here. Okay, the avatar is where you can set anyone's avatar. Like you can do R6 or R15 or just player choice, or for the animation, just two player choice or standard. The collision, this is not important. For the scale, you can mess around with these buttons. Also, you can set a custom avatar right here. We need the ID number first though. The world, it can be realistic, real world gravity, athletic human, slightly heavier, gravity, jump higher, walk faster. You can pick one of these buttons right here, or but you can do a custom thing, like you can set the jump, walk speed and stuff. Okay, now let's do this. Now let's go to model. Now right here there's the same buttons right here. Also you can put effects like here, like fire. But first we need to like there. See? There's like fire right here, and we need to put it. We can yeah. Wait, where is it? No, there's just the same things right here. There's a align tool that transform that, and we press that. This is like a thing where the edit is like that. You can basically that. Now for the rotate right here, wait, I need to, there we go. For the rotate, right here you can uncheck this right here, so it will be like that it's free move like that, because if you check this it will have these things right here like that, and it will only do that. And also for the move, so if you uncheck this, it's like free move like that. Now we go here, and I'm gonna teach you about the toolbox. So the toolbox is like you can paste in free models made by other people. Like if you go here, you can spawn in a teleporter like that, and you go here to the explorer, and like that, you ungroup it or not. So you go here like that, you can paste it right here everywhere. Now you can search stuff here. Example, we have house. Oh wait, I didn't pick it. House like that. Example, this log house right here like that, and just spawn everything. Okay, so if you click this arrow right here, there's like all the pieces of the model like that. There's that one piece of log and just everything. But if you click this, it's like you're editing it, because if you just click the house, it will just move everything like that. Okay, now we are going to the building. So if you want so if you go right here to the lighting, we can mess with the environment. Like if you want the time of day, we can just set it to random, that it will actually move it. Now if you have here the starter player, or just the starter pack, okay, so the starter pack is basically the tools for the game. So example, we have a axe. We can do an axe or torch right here, and it will pop up this. So insert tool into starter pack. So we click yes right here, and it will turn invisible right here. Now we can go to the game, and then we have action or inventory. See? Okay, now let's do that. Now you can to make it better, you have to like delete the base plate. So yeah, and we can create our own map like that. Okay, let's change the material a bit. How about grass? And then we'll change the color to green. Yes. There we go. And we can put it right here. And then we can anchor it. And then scale. Oops, that. And we can scale it like that. See? Oh, let me delete this for a second. Okay. Now to delete things, you have to go here. And then you go here, cut. And then you just, if you want to duplicate the house, you can just right here, that. Or just copy it and then paste. Right here. Now you can, so right here in the properties, we can edit it. For example, we have right here, we can select the part. Okay, right there. We can change it. Like basically these two, but right here. So the color, we can change it to that. Cancel that. We want to make the material right here, and like to ice or something like that, but transfer it to wood. Okay. Now, if you don't like scripting, you can just search up scripts like here. If you want like to run, you can go here, paste that in, and you have to do. If you don't have to edit these right here, so it will just work by itself. You don't have to script this. Yeah. Now for you to make a good game, you have to search for good models. For example, if you want a good zombie model or something, so let's go for zombie. Now, for this is right here. Now we'll test if this is a good model or something. Oop, right here. Okay, it's right here. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's very good. Now it isn't good. Okay. Now we can find a better model. Now let's find here. Okay. Look, a pathfinder and an infector. Let's test it first. Right here. So good, at least. Okay. Now, for some instances, you have to go to the game settings and go to your avatar and change it to R6 to see if it really works like that. Okay, I have our R6, and there, and wait, stop. And there you go. It actually works. It actually works. Oh, the axe, I think it works too. Yeah, if you're on R6. So some items or some models works only on R6. Some of them works on R15. Like that. So if you have a good model, you can make a better game without scripting. Okay, let's delete that actually. Okay. Like, if you want your game not to be messy on the explorer, you can group them all because you don't like messy explorers. Now, we can kind of there. Okay, let's move right here and go to view. Okay, on view you can like this, script, recovery, schedule right here. It will pop up these windows and stuff like command bar, script analysis, output, that. But for beginners, I would just only put in the toolbox and explorer and properties. But it's your choice if you want to do this. If you want to open these up. Now with team create, you can invite your friends or something. Now enable team create like that. Okay, let's wait first. Let's cancel that first. Okay. Now, so you can drag and stuff like that. So you can anything in this box right here will be selected and you can drag it like that. All of it. See. Like that. Okay, let's go to plugins. So right here is all your plugins, and to get these plugins right here, you have to go right here to plugins. Like I have load character right there, building tools, moon animator, resize and align like that, 3D text. Now these plugins are useful, so you don't have to do certain things like setting the time. You can just drag it like this. See, you can just do that, drag it all along and like that. See, so you can use this plugins to make your game creating more easier. Now let's go to images now. So we can like images, like you can paste it right here, but we're not gonna do that. For the audio, let's say you want music in your game. Let's just paste the random one. Okay, let's make it. So you can test what the sound is by clicking this right here, this thing, and then you paste it right here. Now if you want it to play once, you don't click here, but I want it to play once. So if for it to be playing, you have to click this too, and then if you see, it will work. See? Okay, but first we need to drag the sun. Boom, okay. Right there, and then we have the meshes. Now these are basically hats you can put into NPCs like that. Oops, I accidentally dragged the sun. There we go, not there. Now you can put these on NPCs like so. Good. An example, let's get a Panoob NPC like that. So if you go into the Explorer, find that NPC, and then put, where is it? The mesh right here into the NPC, and you just drag it right there or just anywhere. It stay on there even if he moves like that. Have to anchor it first. I forgot. But it's just like that. Okay, let's just delete that now. Now let's just actually let's make NPCs. You can put NPCs so you don't feel alone in your games stuff. Now you can enhance the graphics right here if you go to lighting and we press this plus right here and we add sun rays, bloom, atmosphere. Okay, right there. Now it will look so much better. Now you can add your own background. So you can just put sky in the toolbox right there. You can like that. You can put yeah, that, or just make your own. You can put this one, but you can just cut that. Get it here. Team create. Oh yeah, the team create's done. So if you go here and turn on your team create, you will go to permissions and then search any username that is your friend right here. For example, what should I? Now if you for example put this guy right here, that, oops, what the? So if you go to permissions, if you saved it, it will go, you would select edit player test. But this guy isn't my friend, so I can't yeah. Let's actually search up on my friends here. Okay, this guy's fun. Okay, save that. Called it and go to permissions again. Now, and because it's my friend, you can play edit or play. So you can change play or edit, but I'm not gonna have him here. Yes, there we go. So because you're an owner, you can add an admin. There's like an admin right here in the toolbox, and you would create the admin commands. Now we can, so in the spawn, we can like this spawn location. We can delete this decal and put another images like there. Ooh, content like that. You can put other grain like a spawn. But for now, I'm just gonna delete these. There. Now, if you have the team creating, team test, it's basically this, but with your other players in the server. For the UI, it will send you to this screen UI. So start your UI. So if you click that, it will go here, and then we have text right here, and you can drag it like that. Now we have text label, and we can go for the text. Where is it? There we go. Down here, and then we can just do that. Now we can just delete this for now. It's really that. You can lead with this like that. Now we can ungroup this right here if you go ungroup, and we can now scatter them around. For example, like that here, like that, and actually let's test play it. For the thumbnail, we can use a picture, like any picture or something. Example, I don't know this. Hope you can't finish that. I don't know. Maybe yeah, like that or something like that. Okay. For the options, we can shut down collaborative editing, spatial. So in Roblox, there's like voice chat now, but if you don't have access to voice chat, you can't put this on. Yeah. Of course, I don't have voice chat. I'm okay. Yes. Now to actually make it public and stuff, you have to go here. Okay, let's go to permissions actually, and then search on public right here. But I'm not gonna public this. Now to save it. To save it, you have to publish to Roblox as. So first, click this file, publish to Roblox as, and then click the same thing right here. Example, let's write games right here, and maybe I could publish this as another game right there. But for now, the update, and you can click this and overwrite. Now it will update that. Now go here to test. Now for here we can do device, so you can see what it looks like on any device right here. We can go computer or mobile right here. Okay. Now we can over here on the thing, we can wait like that. We can name like that. You can do that. You just press this, not the actual thing. Name that anything. That. That. Okay. So you can put. Okay. Like this example, we can chat with this guy right here. We're able to do that. Let's go with dialogue. Oh no, you have to go right here to the head. Paste dialogue. Okay, now we have dialogue choice. There. Okay, like that. User dialogue. We can do anything right there. We can do anything right there. We can do anything, and let's test it with this guy now. Okay, first we need dialogue. To edit the dialogue first, it won't work. Okay, where is it? Add dialogue right here. Like that, basically like that. Okay, let's test it again. Now, so example, you want to have a custom animation with your game. So you have to go here, R6, depending on what you're here, but I think it only works on R6. So let's go block, animation editor, and like that. Then we can move it like that right here, that, and it will just do tweening like that. Now, because I don't want this video to be too long, I will search up one. Example, walk animation. Okay. Now we have to go check if it's good. Like that. Okay, that seems fine. Okay. Now what you have to do for it to use, you have to publish the Roblox and then submit. Okay. Now you click this link right here and then copy this. But before you copy it, you have to go right here. And then insert it to starter character. Right here. Now you see this, these are all animations right here. And then we go right here, copy it, there you go, and then we got the walk anim, and we see right here on the properties, go right here, paste that number there, and it should work right there. Okay. So let's put some final touches. That there, so that of it, that, and just clean it up. That. And example, you don't have a font. Wait, you can search up an invisible one. That, let's say we will put it in the house right here. Also, let's for lights like that. There we go, like that. Yeah, now it work. Okay. Now it's there's this grass still here. I don't know why, but hide this HD admin. Sometimes you want to hide stuff in your game that people you don't want people to see. Okay. Now let's scatter the people a bit. That make it more lively, not in just one place. Maybe put some in the house, like a normal city or something. Yeah, that. Also, let's actually delete this. Put subtract. There we go. It's too much right there. Okay, and there it is. I think deleted. This thing is still here. I don't know why. Okay, I need to do the brush things. Let's do this now. Okay, we can do right here the brushes. There we go. It's deleted. Stop. There we go. It looks more clean. Also, we can like this. Okay. So we can that. So we can add effects right here. We can let's snap it. Okay, let's do this around. Maybe we could change the dialogue a bit. That. So now I want to. I actually want. If you want, you can edit the NPCs. Like you can select their head, maybe like do that, and like that. No, you can with their body or something. So to do this, you're gonna have project attachment, hat attachment. We have the messy hair right here. We can add that right there. Now for these right here, so you have my models right here. It's just your models. Then the recent models you used, like there, like there. Now we have right here new models, the creations. Here you got this. Okay. So here's the recent, here's the my models, and there's just the marketplace. Here's the inventory, the recent, and creations. Like that. Now, if you want a sign right here, maybe a sign that. So I have this sign right here. Example, in that we go. Where is it again? Okay. Okay, where is it? Okay, let's find it first. There we go. And then we have text right here, and then first the arrow right here, text label, just like in the GUI. There we have text here, right there, and we can just like example hello. Oops. Example we have hello or something like that. So we have that. Then we can go here. Now we have this button right here. Search for users. This is basically who created this stuff. Example, we have Roblox. And we have Roblox right here. There you go, apply. And then we have these, the time bomb, pizza, obvious soldier, slingshot out. There we go. Friends locator, dev modules, like that. Got a grass base plate right here. So we can cancel this right now. Then we go to models again. Like this. Do that. Now X this to yeah, like that. Now it will return back to normal. These buttons right here is basically the background. It doesn't matter what you choose. There, maybe you want the like that, not black or white, but I recommend this one. There. Okay. Now there's these the tools to insert, edit, UI, then test. Okay, let's go to model now. Okay, so if you want to spawn, example, another spawn, but you don't want to type here in the model, you can just right here spawn, and then it create a spawn for you with the matching material and color right here. But we don't, we already have a spawn, which is better because it's invisible. Like that. Okay, let's. Now we could resize this so it's totally flat, like that. Like that. So let's say we have a script. Okay, we have a script like that. Okay, we have a day night cycle script. Now, for if you say you want to edit a script, you have like experience. So you can just double click this with that, and there's some things here is you can understand it and stuff. So we have a minutes in a day, cycle time 60 minutes in a day. We can end time with that, just like that. So you see, you can do that, and it will work eventually. Okay, let's play it now. Okay. So let's say you want to let's say you want to go back, but not actually exit. You have to click this exit here, then you will go here. So if you have a friend that has shared a game with you, you go right here to share with me that. Now we have group games. Basically games that you can edit, but it's in a group like that. We have Cyber Dead, we got Summer Night, and that. Now, let's say you want to delete a game. You want to delete a game right here. Then they're not gonna delete this one, but right here maybe we could. So click these 3 dots right here, and then we make it archive that. Now it's deleted, and we'll go here to this. Now I have a lot of archives, just my old games that I don't want people seeing like that. Now to access it again, we have to click this, and it will enter that. And there's a search, and there's a date created descent, and it will open up this now. Now it's just the same game you created. So now let's like that, and there, and you could create another game if you want. Now we have the sort, last modified, it's just modified, and then you can search. So if you open Roblox Studio, it won't look like mine. It's dark and it's white for yours. For you to save your eyes, you can go to Studio settings right here, and then where is it? Studio script diagnostics. Let's connect that in. Okay, we have the theme right here. Where is it? The theme. I need to do this output, the recovery, and the theme. So we have dark. Default is just white, which is really bright. The light, which is the same thing. And then we have the dark, which I am using like that. I recommend using the dark one because it's more safer for your eyes. Okay. So let's go here right now again. Okay. That. Now, let's say you let's say you accidentally delete everything in your game. Now, right here, we have the undo button. Or just redo. Now we have quick open. Here, jump right here. Okay. Now we have that. Now, if you don't want to go right here and just do a shortcut, you can do this one right here. Display and this stop. And we can do that. Okay. Let's say you don't want to publish it, but just save it for now. So you save the Roblox like that. Okay. Now, if you don't want, you can do this, but I prefer doing this. Also, if you want to take screenshots of this, or just like that, you would have to remove this. For example, you want to take a screenshot of this part only, you have to do that. But I prefer doing this, the properties and explorer. Right here, this is just a shortcut for the thing, like view, like this testing. Oops. This steps thing, that we can do that. Okay. Now let's go here. Click open, paste. Now we can do it right here, and you know I want like variety. So example, you want new buttons, you can press this, duplicate, cut, and copy like there. Oh, we have these buttons and these buttons. So we have that. Can have this, which is just a copy. You know, that. So this lock thing right here, you can press it so you can't press anything now. So it's like you don't accidentally do something wrong like that. Now we have to unlock all like that. Now we have lock tool. And we can do that. Then we just, if you do that example, we can do undo right there. Now you can do something like that stuff. And like this guy, you can name everyone. Like there's that. Okay. I think that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.